Welcome to the second video in our balance series. In this video, I'll be talking through an activity about balance called the 3 Ps. I would recommend trying out the activity alongside the video so it will help to have a pen and paper handy. Achieving a good balance between our studies and the rest of our life can be tricky for lots of different reasons, but it's important before trying to make any changes to first increase our awareness of where we're currently at before taking any positive action. I'm now going to talk through the activity which can help with this. Our 3 Ps are practical. These are our chores that must be done but aren't always fun. Purposeful, the things we do to develop as a person and grow. Your studies fit in here. And pleasurable, the things you do just for the sheer enjoyment of it without measure of anything. What I'd like you to do first is to create 3 columns with 3 headings: practical, purposeful, and pleasurable. Think about a typical week for you and list the activities you do that fit into each column. Pause the video and take some time to do this now. Once you've done this, add up how many activities you have in each column and see if you have a fairly good balance or if it's more weighted to 1 or 2. Try to do this non-judgmentally with yourself, remembering awareness is a starting point. If you're looking at your 3 columns and the numbers are fairly balanced over the 3, then great. This means you're putting yourself in a better position to maintain your studies and your well-being. It might help to now make a note of the things in each column, just picking 1 or 2, that are your non-negotiables, aka the things you'll do to continue no matter what. This can help you to maintain balance even during busy times. It might help to write these down on your phone or someplace memorable. If, however, your list is more weighted to 1 or 2, then that's also okay. Often, particularly at busy times, students will put a lot of effort into purposeful activities, but then find the other 2 columns get neglected. Rather than trying to make lots of changes and putting pressure on yourself, maybe think about how you can make 1 or 2 changes to even it up a little. For example, can you make time for at least 1 chore and 1 fun activity every day? It can feel like studying, and more studying is the most important thing. However, remember that achieving a better balance will actually make you more productive and better use your study time. So it's worth using this exercise to reflect on where you're currently at and what small changes you can make to shift the balance, should you need to. Remember, this activity is just a starting point. If you'd like some further guidance, then in the next 2 videos we'll be exploring the importance of rest and also study planning. I hope you found this video helpful and check out the videos in the rest of the series.